All right, what's going on, guys? This is how I'm going to be approaching the week from October 13th to the 17th, 2025. Obviously, we still have this government situation going on, and a lot of this news is tentative, but I'm just going to run through with what we're given right now, and then I'll update more throughout the week, how I'm approaching every single day, day by day. But if you guys want to see my full weekly outlook, it's on YouTube right now, where I go over the levels I have marked out on my charts, and just the areas I'm watching, and basically my overall plan for the week. But I'll have my YouTube name on the screen. Let's get into this really quick. Starting it off on Monday, we have a U.S. bank holiday. On top of that, we have Thanksgiving in Canada here. So I'll personally be taking Monday off from the charts completely. Tuesday, we have Fed Chair Powell speaking at 12:20. So this will be one of those days where we're going to want to watch in the AM session and kind of de-risk, because most of the volume is going to be waiting for that speech in the afternoon. So Tuesday, I will be trading, but I will be probably de-risking and trying to get it set up as early as possible, because the longer we go into the AM session, the more the volume is probably going to die off waiting for that speech. So Tuesday, for the most part, will be a normal trading day, but we will be probably de-risking slightly. As of right now, Wednesday, all we have is 8:30 Empire State Manufacturing, which is orange folder news. So Wednesday will be a normal trading day as well, normal risk. And Thursdays, where we get into a big disaster of news events, and they're all tentative. So we have PPI, retail sales, unemployment claims, and yeah, it's all tentative red folder news. So we're going to have to wait and basically take that day by day, or see what's happening that day specifically. But if we have a ton of news, it's going to be a very volatile day. So we'll have to just wait for that day to see what happens, see what these news releases. But I obviously don't want to be trading into the release of these news. So we're going to have to be careful and just see how that day plays out. But yeah. So I can't really give a real plan yet until I know what time that news release is getting out. So we're just going to be kind of sitting off to the side and waiting to see what happens. And then Friday, we have no news. So that will be a normal trading day for the most part, unless something gets scheduled later. So let me run through this again really quick. Monday, no trading. Tuesday, we will be trading, just kind of de-risking and being careful, because we're in anticipation of that speech at 12:30. Wednesday will be a normal trading day. Thursday, we're just going to kind of be waiting and seeing what happens with the news release. Not trying to trade into those news releases. We don't know when they're happening yet. So we'll have to take it minute by minute and see what happens with that and get some updates. And then Friday will be a normal trading day as of right now. If there's any updates, I'll update you guys, and I'll tell you guys my approach every single day, day by day, at the start of market open or before market open. But go check out the weekly outlook if you guys want to see the technical analysis I have marked out for the week. And that's going to wrap it up for me. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.